There could be even better view. How many floors in total you have?
So we have on this building we have so here we have 6 floors, and then on the other building we have 7, and then on the other one we have 6 floors. Well, yes.
Wow.
It depends because there's 3 different buildings. So yes, it's very nice. I love this light.
I like it. I not see before. It's new.
Yeah, it's new.
Good light.
I'm glad you like it. Huh?
Yeah.
That's why it's always important for people to see, because you can really experience the hotel and understand. Because it's true, some people they have a vision of the Bristol that is a bit more traditional, but the Hotka family has invested a lot of money over the years to make sure that we keep the product up to date. You know, you have to at the moment. So Suite Lumière. Service? Service?
Suite Lumière. Big one. How big?
140. So here you have the living area. So you know lumière in French means light. So you really have, like, even today you see it's not the best day, but still it's like you have a lot of lights coming from the street.
No, Paris is city of light.
Yes.
Ой.
Yes, you can also add a kid's bed if needed, so that's why there's a second bathroom here.
Да, second full buffer.
And then
They also look like more light.
yes.
Before Bristol was very hot.
No. For that you see, and also once again here you see we've changed all of the beddings and everything.
Ah, you have small balcony.
Yes. Also in the bedroom. Parisian balcony.
So you can feel Saint Honoré.
Yes. Yes, you're in the middle of the action for the shopping and everything. So yes, a very spacious walk-in closet with all of the amenities also that we offer. So you know there's 2 bathrobes per room, and then all of the facility for the laundry bag, shoe bag, shoe polish, and everything. So. And from this side is very nice. Also, you see we've added some bookshelf to be more modern. So it's a bit. So once again, you see very spacious bathroom.
So it's main bathroom.
Yes. No, we're quite lucky. You know, every hotel in Paris is going to tell you to have the bigger. But us, we really, we're very proud of our bathroom, you know. So. It's important, you know, when you want to get ready, to have a proper space, proper lighting.
So it look like home.
Yes.
Look like private residence.
It was a bit the idea, especially with the bookshelf, you know, we added a lot of books, so you feel like home. And then here you have a second entry also if you just want to have the room with that. And just like wardrobe. It's a lot of space.